This is one of my favorite back workouts to do. We got the bent over Landmine Rows. Good little switcher from the cables sometimes in your rows. Now, if you don't have one of these handles, you could take one of the attachment from the cables, wrap it around the actual handles of the ball, and still row it this way. But today, I'm using the Rogue handles. I got 4 plates on here, 25-pound plates. And it's another good way to hit the lower lats also. Not too bad. Just be careful if you got back issues because you're gonna be bent over with the weight being front loaded. It could be tough. So a nice, simple, easy movement. It's clean too. Don't jerk the weight. Don't be like pulling up. That means the weight's too heavy. Damn. Feel like you're getting a little bit of leg work in there too because you're in that fixed position. So give those a shot, hit that like, hit that subscribe button. See y'all next time.